Today we're going to learn about installing a TV. Well, you have a TV for sure, but in addition to the TV, you do need some tools. See, a screwdriver would be useful, also a knife to cut all the tape that's holding the box together. And it's also super helpful if you don't have to do the hard work and you have a pretty assistant who'll do the work for you. So now let's tell the assistant to do what she's here to do rather than waste our time and it. The first step is to lay the TV box on its side, and then the assistant picks up the knife and cuts the tape along its length. That's step one done. Now over to step two. So step two is to open the cut flap, open the one closer to the table first, and then flip it under the TV. Requires some doing, but yeah, there it's done. Now move the TV closer to the center of the table, and we move over to step three. So now that the base of the TV pack is open, let me zoom out and show that to you. Now the assistant will flip the TV over onto its base and gently lift the cover up and out of the way. And there you have it, a beautiful TV, which is still not ready to be shown to the world. So now that the TV is out of its restrictive box, let's also look at the accessories that came along with the TV. We have a packet full of goodies. We start with obviously some booklets, a pair of batteries, a remote for the TV, some instruction manuals and a warranty book, a user manual, and screws to do what? I wonder what's in that box. Let's open that box and see what's in it. There's our trusty knife again. Slice open the sides. There it is, the mystery goods. All right, lots of nuts and bolts. A wall stand for mounting the TV. And what's in there? Let's open that packet and see. So with the TV, we got the books, the remote, batteries, some screws, some nuts and bolts and ends. I guess we'll find out in the book what's there for, and the wall stand. And you can still see our tools. And there you have it, the TV by itself. Now let's start by removing the cover and see how the TV looks. Now that you're ready, you've seen everything that came with the TV, let's take a look at the TV itself. Very gently pull open the cover, and there you have the TV. I think it's also wrapped with some kind of a cling film. So before we peel out the cling film, let's take it out of the thermocol base and rest it on the table to see how that looks. And let's look at the TV now. All right then, there we have it, a brand new 32-inch Woo Smart TV. The next step obviously is to peel all that cling film off it to make sure the screen actually is as pretty as the ads made it out to be. Let's also get rid of this thermocol from here. Just throw it out and out of the way. Is it really all that fancy that it was promised to be? Ooh, that's a real slim TV. That's pretty as hell. All right, I think the next thing to do is to peel off all this extra plastic that's hanging around all over the place. Yes. So let's take a look at the tools and things that came along with the TV. There's the book, remote, a pair of legs, we missed that the last time, screws, nuts, bolts and odds and ends, and of course the wall mount. And that's the TV by itself. So we start by laying the TV on its back and raise the base of the TV using the thermocol that came with the box. Preferably keep the TV away from the edge of the table so that it doesn't slide off. There you have it. Now that the TV is on its side, you first take the first leg and put it on the left side of the TV. Push it in. And then you take the right side. Press it in. If you notice that the legs face outwards, the front of the legs face outwards from the TV and the back of the leg face inwards. Now let's fix the screws. You're not done as yet. Take the silver screws that came with the pack. There, we're done. So there you have it. The TV is all ready. Now all that is required is left to turn it on. Let's do that. There you have it. A beautiful 32-inch smart TV. Funky as hell.
So, how was language class?
I learned some Hindi with Ravi. Watch. Hello MG. Cool Jazz Simpson. Opening sunroof.
To evolve is a human thing. The new evolved MG.
And they'll be playing some 4K content, some free video footage of Norway. Look at those beautiful colors, dark blacks and bright greens. And there we have it, a beautiful new Voo TV setup. And let's thank our presenter too.